recharging your AC on a Chevy Malibu. It's probably the same for about the 20. I'll put it in the description, but this is a Chevy Malibu. What you want to do is you look right here. Basically, if you come to the side of your vehicle, right here to where your struts would screw in at, right below there, you'll have your little screw right here you want to take off, which is your low line where you want to recharge your AC at. All you got to do now is just take off that top right there pretty much. And once you take that off, then you want to take your line, screw it onto there or pop it onto there however you need to. And then go ahead, you want to turn your AC to full blast and let it run. And then you want to pop your line onto it. We're going right here. And you'll have your actual can of recharge. And then you just want to shake that while you're charging it like that. And just keep on doing it. Once again, your low line where you would charge your AC at is going to be located on your passenger side. Right down here, you see this, look right here, you'll see a little, I'll show you what it looks like. That's going to look basically just like this. The little lid that you want to screw off right down there, then you want to keep on charging it, keep shaking it until basically you start feeling cold air coming in. Sometimes you may need to put like 1 or 2 cans inside of, at least 2 cans, if it seems not to get cold. And if for some reason when you do this, it still doesn't get cold, you may actually have an AC leak somewhere, which means that the AC Freon basically is coming back out of it. But once again, this is how you would recharge your AC on a Chevy Malibu. All right, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.